Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Ask Alexa Therapy Live. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. Tonight, I really wanted to explore teens and depression. What are some warning signs and possible treatment options? A lot of times, I get contacted by many parents who are concerned about their teens. They're not sure if they're depressed, if they have anxiety, but they're noticing some behavioral changes. They're noticing changes in their mood and isolation. So a lot of times what you want to do as a parent is to be able to open up that dialogue with your teen and see what they're saying. Sometimes they will be open and honest and really let you know what's going on. Other times they might be shut down and not let you in to what's really bothering them. So some tips for parents to look for. Look for is changes in behaviors, changes in their daily activities, in their daily routines, and also their daily living skills. See if your teen is still reaching out to friends. Are they still going out and doing things? Are they still interested in enjoying activities that they used to be interested in? Are they isolating? Do you feel like they're shutting down? Do they have a new group of friends or not talking to any friends whatsoever? Also, look at their motivation. A lot of times when there's depression setting in, there'll be almost this lack of motivation. And sometimes people say, oh, it's just laziness. But it's so much deeper than that. A lack of motivation when it's in reference to depression is paralyzing. The teen feels maybe they can't get off the couch. They can't get motivated to do homework. They can't get motivated to leave their house, to enjoy social activities or even sports if they were interested in sports or any after-school activities. Also, are they still reaching out to friends? Are they still in communication with their friends and family members? Is something to look out for. Also, how is their grades? How are they doing in school? Are they, if they're working, are they going to work? Are they able to get up and go to work every day or go to school every day? A serious red flag that you really want to watch out for is your teen getting rid of personal belongings? Are they giving it away? It could be their favorite video game, their favorite bike, their favorite article of clothing. This is really a red flag. And if you're noticing a lot of these behaviors, I would really recommend that you contact a therapist, contact their primary care physician, a psychiatrist, a school counselor, and really act on it. Also, I'd want to be able to assess if there's any suicidal ideation or suicidal attempts. Yes, people can be depressed without having suicidal ideation, but I always say make sure you can rule it out and have someone be able to assess if your teen is suicidal. If you feel that your teen is suicidal, you must act quickly. Don't let time pass by. Bring the teen to the emergency room. Bring them to their local physician, a psychiatrist, or a therapist to have them evaluated. As I always say, it's very important to always be safe than sorry. So I know a lot of times when parents reach out to me, they have so many questions and so many concerns. And what I would say to them is trust your gut. Make sure you can open up that dialogue with your teen. And if your teen does not allow you to enter into their realm and know what's going on, look for red flags and then get a treatment team, get a community in to support you with resources. A lot of times when a teen is depressed, going into individual therapy is important, but also group therapy. They can do group therapy outside of schools. You can look on Psychology Today where you can find therapists, but you can also find group therapies with different types of headings for teens with depression, teens with addiction issues, loss of a parent, whatever you feel is going on with your teen. There's definitely different groups. Also, in many schools, they have groups with a guidance counselor that maybe meet once a week, once a month. So I'd really also reach out to your teen's school and see what's going on in school. Are they paying attention? Are they doing their homework? Are they showing up for class? And do teachers notice a drastic change in behavior? So again, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Keep sending in your questions to info@askalexatherapy.com. Everyone, I'll see you next Sunday. Have a good night and God bless.